Video tutorial guitar streaming setup for beginners. And here are the items. This is the first part. So I'm looking at the Focusrite Solo Scarlett. This is our main hub that's gonna take our guitar signal in. The other thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a USB-C adapter, which you see right here. And by the way, stick around, there's a bonus tip at the end. This is a USB-C cable that's going to connect to the Focusrite, obviously guitar cable and your phone. So let's go to the next part and I'll show you how all this is set up. Everything is now connected. So we have the guitar cable going into the instrument hole that goes right here, and this is how you control the gain, and you can monitor yourself. So if you want a pair of headphones, put a pair of headphones in there. On the back we have the USB-C cable going into the adapter right there, and then we're also getting power to the adapter so we can have enough power, because the phone won't have enough power to run the device. So that's why you need the adapter. This is exactly what it looks like. Now let's connect the guitar and let's play, and then I'll show you what it sounds like and what it looks like once you have everything set up and you'll be ready to record, do a video stream, live stream on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or wherever platform you want. But this is exactly what it looks like right there. Everything is connected. If you have questions about any of these devices, it's going to be in the description below, and I'm also going to provide a free PDF file with all the instructions and all the items listed here. So let's see what it sounds like when it's all put together. Okay, everything is plugged in now. We're ready to begin our stream. Here is the phone. It's set up for the stream. This is what it looks like, all connected. Here is the bonus tip. Here's your bonus tip. So sometimes if it doesn't detect the Focusrite, just plug it in and out until it does. You might want to turn the app on that you're going to use, YouTube or Twitch, Facebook, whichever, and turn that on just so that, you know, to see if there's just a signal. Don't go live yet, but just make sure that you turn on the app that you're going to be live streaming with, and then turn this back on. And then if it's not detecting it, just unplug it and replug it. Sometimes you have to do it a few times, either the power, disconnect the power, or turn it back on, but then you'll be ready to go. And let's see what it sounds like with the whole thing running. So I'm going to put the video in right now.